difficult picture. How did you...
You're not even in the shot.
That's because you're beautiful.
No, I'm not.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so fucking hot.
I like my eyes in night vision, but that's about it. I can't see my hole. I can see my mustache. Do you
I'm
have one?
so cute.
Do you have one?
No. Do I?
No. Just me. What's she talking about? I'm so hot. You don't know what I use my tongue for. You know you want it, baby. Okay. Oh, look at that film. Oh, my little bitch.
Thanks.
Just kidding. We do something interesting for the camera.
Okay. Totally kidding.
Do something interesting. Lindsay Lewis. Oh, I got my fat in that one.
Hmm?
I can't show my fat on camera. It's illegal. Did you know that?
Don't even kiss me.
It's illegal. That's illegal too. Did you know it's illegal if you're under 16?
To what?
Have sex?
Really?
Yeah. I thought it was 18, but I think it's 16. Lindsay Lewis. Lindsay Lewis. Lindsay Lewis. She's rubbing my vagina. Why can't I see myself? Don't even deny it. Do you want a kiss? We could be on YouTube. YouTube, right? Right? YouTube. But I can't see your hand. It's on my titty. Titty. Ew, I hate having a retainer. It's ugly.
Just lick my nose.
Nice little booger. Okay, this is like 10 minutes long. How do you stop it?